Today we're going to install oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 2 downstream on this 2012 Ford Mustang GT. Alright, just made a video of how to remove it, and here's the replacement. NTK by NGK, part number 22135. Sweet. Let's go ahead and install this bad boy. Sweet, comes pre-greased and a little clip too. So let's go ahead and take this little cap off and let's go ahead and install it. Alright, you would have to have the car already jacked up and secured with a jack stand if you removed it. And now we're gonna go ahead and crawl in here. There is our bunghole, and we're gonna go ahead and stick it in there and just rotate it till we tie it down. And just be careful not to get these tangled up and damage them. Alright, you could either use a 7/8 wrench or the special oxygen sensor socket, which is also 7/8. This just slips right through the middle and it allows you to tighten it down. But we were able to screw it all the way down, and I'm going to just snug that tight. That's pretty good. We're going to go ahead and connect our pigtail right in here. Thought I was going to need both hands, but there it is. And this here looks like it might clip into the transmission, so let's go ahead and do that. Perfect. Sweet. There it is. And that is how you install the oxygen sensor for bank 1 sensor 2 on this 2012 Ford Mustang GT. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Alright, what I actually did was disconnect it, pass it through here, and clip it back down. Sorry about that. But that way this wire is able to hold this one in case this comes down and it doesn't dangle to the floor. Just a other little precaution that I'd like to take. I just didn't catch it until I was done. But that's it. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.